Munaongea mbaya nyinyi.
Mugomo wa arigitani GIKIRO gya clinic officers utanyitwo kwambiriria tariki 19 kiumia turorete, na uu ni kurumirira atongoria KIAMA-INI gya KUKO ukorwo mataiguithanitie na ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI. Atongoria KIAMA-INI giki matariirie gitumi gya kuiga MIRO thi gukorwo ari thirikari hamwe na ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI itikoretwo ikionania wendi wa kuhingia maundu maria maiguithaniirie, guku makiuga matire na wiki otiga gutiganiria arwaru mathibitari-ini.
To inform those who have patient in a public facility or will be seeking services or have appointment with us that we will not be there starting Monday next week, that the strike shall begin unless otherwise, because I believe one day is too long.
Mateta mao ni hamwe na kwaga kwambatirio ngathi gwa clinic officers aria makinyaniirie ikiro kiraniro kigie kuheo wira wa gutura kuri clinic officers aria makoretwo mubango-ini wa UHC gatagati-ini ka mangi.
The government had revised the payment of our intern to their disadvantage, creating a problem where there was none, and also failing to implement the agreement then.
Ni kwari no horo wa medical cover ya ruti ya wira, ni kwari no horo wa ciana citu iria cie contract-ini iria marihagwo mbeca njuru muno ya universal health coverage, global fund na ingi makorwo makiandikwo wira na njira iria njagiriru, na maya ni maundu matahingitio.
Hamwe noguo KUKO ni mokiriire bodi igi ukinyaniria wa motungata ma urigiti ya SHA na kuga ni yagite gukuruhania kanjo ya KUKO hari gutangikira amemba aria meyandikithitie mubango-ini wa SHA giki ari gitumi kingi kiria kiracungiriria maige MIRO thi.
Kuri andu matugiretie ithu arigitani aria tukuonaga tukorwo tugikuona na makauga ati no tukuonire angikorwo ni ukuruta mbeca ciaku cia muhuko. Oguo turathie mugomo uyu nigetha tukorwo tugikuruirira we wita mukenya wa kawaida.
We will stand on the right side of the law to protect the law and ensure that clinical officers have their freedom to practice in accordance to their qualification.
Murugamo uyu ukite riri manathi onao matanyitwo kuiga MIRO thi mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite. Mateta mao ari kwaga kwambatirio ikiro cia wira o hamwe na kwaga kuheo wira wa gutura kuri manathi aria makoretwo mubango-ini wa UHC.
We are in a country where there is a lot of rebellion because we have many rulers who don't understand what they do. We need a country with a leader with discernment so that he can impose order.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.